Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony DSX-GS80 Car Radio receiver and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with this radio not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing with your device, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it seems to be not responding or frozen, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you've just set this radio up in a new car and you just want to have everything start as though a new radio, we can go ahead and do that whenever you change this to a different car. It's a good thing, or you're setting it up on new devices. If you just want a fresh start, it's very easy to do. All we need to do is access the reset button, which on this particular model is actually on the inner panel. So it's quite simple. All we need to do is hit the little release button up here to pop out this front panel. And then we're going to find the reset button, which on the inner panel, it's right about here. There's this button here. It's right about here. And you'll just, like with a pencil or a pen or a paper clip, just press and hold that button for a second or two, at which point you can just put this panel, pop the panel back on, and set the radio up as a new radio.